Hello students, in the previous video we discussed about present simple, past simple, future simple and also present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Today we are going to discuss present perfect. When do we use this tense? हम कब use करते हैं ये tense को? जब हमारा काम हो गया. Perfect देखो perfect लिखा है मतलब that our work is done and it has some connection with the present time. Present perfect हम कब यूज़ करते हैं कि वो काम हो गया और उसे कुछ कनेक्शन है प्रेजेंट से, तब हम यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे सोच लो टीचर बोर्ड पे लिखते हैं. ओके, द टीचर इज राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड and suddenly she asks, did you finish? Then what do you say? Yes ma'am, I have finished. So you use present perfect when the action is done and it has some connection with the present situation. Action हो गया but present situation से कुछ connection है. Like see, I have finished. Okay, I have finished my work. There's nothing to be confused. Okay, if you want you can use this present perfect tense. Otherwise, if you're feeling comfortable while you're speaking, you're confused present perfect use करना या past use करना, you can use past simple also. It's up to you. There's nothing to be worried. Okay, now anything, both are telling us about the past only, but if you use this present perfect it will be more professional. सुनने वालों को भी लगेगा हाँ इनको अच्छा इंग्लिश आता है. Okay, so I have finished and she has done her work. See the helping verbs, have, has. So we have two types of helping verbs, that is has or have in present perfect. Has we use for singular subject, have we use for plural subject. Is that clear? I, see the I here, I is singular subject but हम उसके साथ have use करेंगे. You is some singular subject, we use have. Okay, this is the rule in English grammar. With I and you we use have. और बाकी सब के लिए see, we have, they have. For singular subject, it has, he has, Tina has. Okay, singular subject. Tina and Geeta आएगी तो Tina and Geeta have finished their work. So these are the things you need to understand. Now one more rule you need to understand is third form of the verb. We have to use only the third form of the verb in perfect. Understood? In perfect we have to use the third form of the verb. See, do, did, done. See, verb 3. Okay, this is why we tell you to learn the 3 forms of verb. It is very important. जब तक आप 3 forms of verb learn नहीं करोगे तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि कौन सी verb लिखना है, first form, second form और third form. So the rules we have 2, that is has or have and third form of the verb. Clear? Now next one, past perfect. This is also easy. ये past के बारे में, ये present. Since it is present है तो हमें helping verbs क्या है, has or have. But past में we have only one, that is had. Past है ना, had. She had finished, she had done. Okay, for plural subject and for singular subject we use had in past perfect. See, like this. See, we had, she had. There's no confusion. For plural and for singular subject we use had in past perfect. Okay. Don't be confused. In past perfect. And which form of the verb? Of course, verb 3, third form of the verb, because it is perfect. Now, here we have like 3 rules. Okay, it's okay, it will be easy for you. Will or shall, that is compulsory. Will or shall. Okay, then have, then verb third form. यहाँ पे we are going to use have. अगर वो singular subject हो, then also we are going to use have. Even though it is plural subject, we are going to use have. Why? See the example. She will have finished her work. She will have finished her work. See here, she singular subject है and we have here. Okay. See in present perfect she singular. See has यहाँ पे क्या है, with the subject है, subject के साथ है, तो we have to use has. Okay. Here in between ये future perfect में क्या हो गया, she और have के बीच में क्या है, will आ गया. So it's okay. No need to follow this rules. Singular and plural subject. Directly you need to write have. Okay, you cannot say she will has finished. That is completely wrong. Future perfect में whether the subject is plural or singular, you need to write have. Is that clear now? See, let's recall once again. Present perfect rules: has or have, verb third form, has for singular subject, have for plural subject, and for I and you they are singular subject, हम उनके लिए have use करते हैं. Okay, and third form of the verb. Clear? Past perfect had singular subject or plural subject. For both we use had. Okay, in past perfect and verb third form. Future perfect we use will or shall. After that we need to write have, वो singular subject हो या plural subject हो, it's okay, but you have to write have only, you cannot write has. And verb third form. Done. The next one is present perfect continuous. See, continuous perfect ये दोनों यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हो गए. Perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Now when do we have to use this perfect continuous? For example, हमारा स्कूल बहुत पहले शुरू हुआ, अभी भी चल रहा है. Our school has started long before, but still the school is going on, it's running, isn't it? So at this moment, at this situation, we use present perfect continuous, जो बहुत पहले शुरू हुआ and अभी भी चल रहा है. For example, online classes बहुत पहले शुरू हुआ ना, in the month of March we started and still it's been continuing. So at that situations we use present perfect continuous. Like see, see the example here. The online classes have been going on since March. मतलब क्या हो गया, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस मार्च से चल रहा है. द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैव बीन गोइंग ऑन. सी हैव क्यों यूज़ किया हमने, क्योंकि ये परफेक्ट है. एंड गोइंग बिकॉज इट इज़ कंटिन्यूस, वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ing यूज़ करते हैं हमने कंटिन्यूस के लिए, सो वी हैव यूज्ड गोइंग. एंड एक्स्ट्रा थिंग वी हैव इज बीन. इसका मतलब क्या है कि चल रहा है, अभी ये सिचुएशन है कि चल रहा है. ओके, हैव बीन गोइंग, हैव बीन मतलब है कि शुरू, अब बहुत पहले से चल रहा है. ओके, सो एट दिस सिचुएशन वी यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. नाउ फॉर दैट one more example, let's see one more example. She has been teaching English since morning. इसका मतलब क्या है, सुबह से वो इंग्लिश पढ़ा रही है. She has. Why has? Because singular subject. Here you have to follow the rules. Okay, she has. अगर plural subject होते, we have been teaching English since morning. Okay, do you understand? So the rules are has or have, and after this what you have to write? Been. Okay, after that verb first form plus ing. Now here the same thing, has or have के प्लस में क्या आ जाएगा? had. Okay, and been and verb first form plus ing. Now here will or shall, have plus been, first form of the verb plus ing. So these all things I made it short, but actually आपको कैसे लिखना है? For example आपसे बोल रहे present perfect continuous rules, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object, ऐसे लिखना होता है. ये सारा ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो गया ना, so that's why I made it short. It will be easy for you because in everything we have subject and object commonly. This is the main thing you need to learn. If you learn this, it's very easy for you to write the formulas. So what I want you to do is write this in your notebook very neatly as I have written here, and after that in the next page write the formulas. Okay, formulas heading like this, and present simple. What is the formula? Present simple, subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. Okay, now next one, present continuous. First you write all the present. Okay, subject plus then is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Now present perfect, subject plus has or have plus verb third form plus object. See how easy it is. Once you learn, then it's very easy for you to write. Present perfect continuous. Please write down this in your notebook. This will be helpful for you forever. आपकी पूरी ज़िंदगी में ये काम आएगा. Forever it will be helpful for you, and it is very necessary that you learn all these things. Even if you reach +1, +2, you will be learning all these tenses. So better you start it from now. Then afterwards, after you reach 10th and 11th, it will be very easy for you. You don't need to struggle. So start the step now. Learn this. It's very important. You cannot avoid this topic. Next, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So this present I wrote, then past you need to write by yourself, and future also. See from this, first you write this in your notebook. After that, in the next page, write this. Present I have written and show you how to write. Don't depend on the teachers. Please, you can do it by yourself yourselves also, right? And so, finish past and future. Be brave. Don't depend on your elders all the time. I have guided you enough, and you can do this by yourself. Past and future, write it in your notebook. And send me the picture to me personally. The one who is watching the video, will know about this news, others will not be knowing. So इससे मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि कौन वीडियो देख रहे हैं, कौन वीडियो नहीं देख रहे हैं, and according to that I'll give the assessment marks. So please, when you finish this, send the picture of this tenses and send the picture of the formulas. Did you get that? Okay, bye, thank you.